Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of shed. Of a tree or other plant. Allow leaves or fruit to fall to the ground. For example, both varieties shed leaves in winter. American pronunciation. Shed. Shed. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Shed. Say. Shed. Shed means, of tree or other plant, allow leaves or fruit to fall to ground. Shed. Shed. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. In contrast, willows and poplars shed living twigs. Now, repeat after me. In contrast, willows and poplars shed living twigs. The second practice. Most of the deciduous trees have shed their leaves by mid-December. Now, repeat after me. Most of the deciduous trees have shed their leaves by mid-December.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.